Happy 4th of July. It's taste test time. And I'm getting back on the boat. Brand! Ding 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 ding. Brand! And setting sail for Rhode Island once again. This is Plum Island, it says on here. I didn't notice that until too late. That they actually have names of different, I guess, little towns. Is Plum Island one of the Providence plantations? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That means they're now being erased off the map. So what's going to happen to those islands? Are they going to be abandoned? Does everyone have to leave those islands? Well, we'll find out. But this is orange cream soda, and of course, when I think of orange cream, I think of Stewart's. Stewart's. Stewart's of Carney. It was 4 years ago today. 4 years ago today that I didn't feel like cooking on the 4th of July. And I wanted to go to Stewart's. I got in my car. I went across the bridge. And I saw it was closed. Apparently had closed permanently a couple of days earlier. I still miss Stewart's. I really do. Anyway, they had great orange cream soda. I used to buy it by the gallon. Or half gallon, I should say. That they made right there. It was perfect. It was right in the fucking barrel. Anyway, here is orange cream. We'll see if this measures up. Now, Stewart's does have the orange cream in bottles now, but it's... I used to love going to Stewart's. Boom, 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 ran. Ooh, this is good. Equal at least to Stewart's. 8.8.